Steele Solutions started in 1996. What Steele Solutions does is we build steel structures, mezzanines, work platforms, equipment platforms, and all of our employees are working at one common goal there to do that. Everybody says they have the best customer service. We live it day in and day out with the Steele Solutions Experience. And the fact that our customers are repeat customers tells the story that our customers do really like it. We absolutely get into our customers' world, understand it, live in that world, and understand our role very well in that.
Customers like to work with Steele Solutions because we thoroughly try to understand the scope of the work and the requirements for the project. Basically, you get to solve problems for people. They give you a problem and you solve it. And just solving those problems in a unique fashion is the fun part of the project.
Sales order and a PO come in-house. That gets put into a production slot, and then it goes to the engineers. They will then concept and work through and size and do the math and the frame analysis. Our 3D modelers will use a program called Tekla and fully model the entire structure inside of Tekla. NC data is fed to our automated machines out on the production floor, and the book is handed off to production for routing and fabrication.
Material will be scheduled, it'll come in. We'll go ahead and we'll offload material off of the trucks, stage it for our CNC automated beam line, which gets all of its data directly from our 3D wireframe modeling package. We'll go ahead and we'll process the material through on the beam line, move it into the welding stations for the welders that are AWS D1.1 and CWB 47.1 dual certified. After that, after they finish processing the material and marking it with their certifications, then it'll go ahead and move over into the painting area. It'll get loaded on our automated powder paint line. Because of how our paint line is configured, most people that have powder lines can only process members that are about 12 to 14 feet long, whereas we can process something that's 40 feet long. All the employees that work in the painting and shipping department take great pride and care in making sure that the product will be packaged so that when it arrives at the customer facility, it looks just as it did when it left this building. One of the requirements that we put on all the trucks that leave the facility is that our product has to be tarped. A lot of our product does not stay within our general geographic area. It typically moves to a coast, and you don't know what weather the truck is going to go through in getting from point A to point B. So we make sure that the load is tarped before they leave this building. That way, that's our insurance that when the product gets to the final destination, that it looks as it did here before it left.
Overall, that whole experience of working with us, rather than buying a piece of equipment, them buying a mezzanine or a work platform, they're buying the whole Steele Solutions experience. As a subset of that, they get the steel platform that works for them.